Just click here and straight away it's back to normal or dynamic. In the Photoshop beta, you can now use dynamic text. This is dynamic text. How to create dynamic text? Just go over here and select the horizontal type tool. Click and drag and create a text block. Now at first, it will just be normal text. What you can then do is just go up here and click. And that's dynamic text. And now you can see, you get the words like lorem ipsum. And you can also go up here, you can edit it. So press return. And you can also add additional text. So let's just add some very quick text there. And you can see as you do it, all the text is nicely lined along here and also along here as well. You can also modify the font. So let's just go over here and just select, say, this. And instead of Lato, I'm just going to go for something like heavy or maybe Abril and so on. So you can change the text as well. You can change the color. And let's just change that to red. And you've got that. But also what you can do is you can always turn it back. So you can just click here again and it's back to normal. But you can click it again and it's back then to dynamic text. You can do the same over here in properties. You've got properties panel, which you can find in the window menu and properties. And you can go down here and dynamic text. Just click here and straight away it's back to normal or dynamic. And you can modify it in additional ways. Let's just increase that 50%. And you can see a variety of different possible designs there as well. And also you can modify this. And again, subtle changes as well. Also what you can do is you can resize this. So with this, you can drag it around just as normal and resize. You can also rotate it and much, much more. Also, another great thing about this is you can use it in Photoshop, the normal Photoshop, the release Photoshop. So just go over here and you can see I've got this layer, dynamic text. Well, go to File and then Save, File and Save As. And I'm going to save it to a file, 1.psd, replace. This is the release version of Photoshop. Simply go to File and then Open. Then I'm just going to go to my desktop, open that file, click Open. This file can be opened in Photoshop. Once you've got it, you see here, you've got this text. Again, dynamic text is available over here as well. So you can modify this, just resize it. However, the one thing you can't do is you can't then go and change it back to normal text. It's in here set to dynamic text. That's what the layer is, and you can then work with that. But you can still go over here, select here the type tool, and then go here and click there and type some more text, and you can still see it still works as dynamic text in your release Photoshop, and then press return. If you've got any questions about dynamic text in Photoshop, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.